Another thing, you could go bathroom here, right? This fucking bush is just littered with hunters. Actually, most hunters have already tagged, so they're not hunting anymore. But there's quite a few. Well, if we don't run by a vehicle on the way up here, or two, I'll be amazed. Maybe even some trailers, hunting trailers, campers. And if there is, they won't be too thrilled about me riding around up here, especially at dusk. This is when you'll get some mule deer movement. And I'm up here scaring them. Hunters could be hunkered down on these ridges, just waiting for the deer to come. There's a creek that runs here, and obviously there's water in the creek. They're coming down to get a drink, but there's also good green vegetation growing next to the creek that they love to eat. Maybe everybody must have tagged. Good season for hunting. Most hunters have already tagged. They're not even here anymore. This is a furrow here, so the road doesn't wash out. Got a lot of runoff here. The ranchers carved these furrows in the ground. Boy, it's hard to see the road with that sun coming down like through the trees like that. You get blinded. We're about to cross Oak Creek. This is Oak Creek, ladies and gentlemen. How do you like it? Hey, I filled up with water from that creek right there on more than one occasion. Whoa. Okay, this is a pretty gnarly section right here, gents. It's actually not too bad now. They must have, they've graded it. You can see there's been a grader come through here, because this used to be chopped up like you would not fucking believe right here. But it looks good now. That road used to be so chopped up right there. Our fat ain't on the fire yet, huh, guys? They came up here and graded this. Hey, put 2 and 2 together. Oh, look at this, gentlemen. Look at this tree right here. Gentlemen, put 2 and 2 together, okay? The lake is full. Or not full, but it's very high compared to last time. So they had a lot of rain here, a lot of whatever. It washed out this road. That's why it's been graded, and now it's good again, or reasonably good. More than one way to skin a duck, gentlemen. Go around it. Does that make sense, gentlemen? The fuck, it doesn't make dollars.